Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Semantics and Mathematics. And this video is the fifth part of the same type of series. That means having same type of concept involved in solving and proving this series. Okay? And now this video is also related to the exponential series in which we have to prove that 2 by factorial 3 plus 4 by factorial 5 plus 6 by factorial 7 plus 8 by factorial 9 plus dot 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 up to the infinity term is equal to inverse of exponential e. That means 1 upon e or e power minus 1. Okay. So to prove this series as e power minus 1, we can write the above series also as 2 into 1 divided by factorial 3 plus 2 divided by factorial 5 plus 3 divided by factorial 7 plus 4 divided by factorial 9 plus dot 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 up to the infinity term. Okay, and now we can use this series as the nth term of the given series. That means we will try to find out what is the general term of the given new series. And here we can see that the nth term of the given new series will be n divided by factorial 2n plus 1, which can also be written as n divided by 2n plus 1 into factorial 2n, where n is the number of term of the given series. We can also write nth term of the given series as other form, which is 2n plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 into 2n plus 1 into factorial 2n. Okay, and now when we separate these two terms, then we can make them very simple and understandable, and also we change them into simplest form so that we can use the application of exponential theorem. Okay, now as you can see that the factor 2n plus 1 in both, that means numerator and denominator, both have same number 2n plus 1, and so they will be cancelled out, and finally we get it 1 divided by 2 into factorial 2n, and the second term will be remain the same as before. And so by doing this we can make the above expression as Tn is equal to 1 divided by 2 into factorial 2n minus 1 divided by 2 into 2n plus 1 into factorial 2n. Okay, now the second term 1 divided by 2 into 2n plus 1 into factorial 2n can also be written as 2 into 2n 1, that is 2 into factorial 2n plus 1. Okay, and now the general term of the given series will be equal to 1 by 2 into 1 divided by factorial 2n minus 1 divided by factorial 2n plus 1. And now by putting the value of t n, that means n as 1, 2, 3 and 4, then we can easily get the value of first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on up to the infinity term. Okay, and now this is the time add all these terms, that means t1, t2, t3, t4, t5 up to the infinity term. By adding these terms we can make them the above series as very simplest form, and now we can also find the value. Okay, now the putting the value of t1, t2, t3, t4, t5 and so on and taking 1 by 2 common, then we can say that the above series can be written as follow. As you can see here, the term 1 is written as 2 times with opposite sign plus and minus. The reason for writing this is we have to make them the above expression as the exponential e value. That means exponential e with negative power. Here the term negative 1 is written as 1 divided by factorial 1. Okay. By writing in this way, we can make the above expression as exponential e with negative power. We also know that the value of exponential e with negative power is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by factorial 1 plus 1 divided by factorial 2 minus 1 divided by factorial 3 plus 1 divided by factorial 4 minus 1 divided by factorial 5 and so on up to the infinity term. And so we can write the given series as 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 factorial 1 divided by factorial 1 plus 1 divided by factorial 2 minus 1 divided by factorial 3 plus 1 divided by factorial 4 minus 1 divided by factorial 5 plus 1 divided by factorial 6 minus 1 divided by factorial 7 and so on up to the last term, that means infinity term. Here the factor 2 will be cancelled out due to inverse to each other and only the bracket term is left out, which is 1 minus 1 divided by factorial 1 plus 1 divided by factorial 2 minus 1 divided by factorial 3 plus 1 divided by factorial 4 minus 1 divided by factorial 5 and so on up to the last term. And also we know that this value is the equivalent value of exponential e with negative power, that means 1 upon e. The value of this expression is e power minus 1, that means 1 upon e. And also this is the answer. Okay, as we know that we have to prove that the given series as exponential e with negative power, or in other word 1 upon e. Okay, so we have proved this. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.